everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Ballad Health account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Ballad Health account. You can do this by typing Ballad Health login. Now click on sign in option. After that, you will be directed to login page of Ballad Health. Make sure you already have an account in Ballad Health. Enter your user ID and your password. Then click on login. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on password reminder or you can click on forgot your password. Ballad Health login page also provides you the login information if you have any problem regarding login. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Ballad Health account.